I ordered this carburetor kit from Amazon to see if I could get my Poulan chainsaw going. Been sitting in my garage since 2012. It's a little over 14 years old. Got some good use out of it. I've been using some battery powered equipment, electric powered equipment and so forth. And as of this point right here, I've already installed new line because it was brittle, the line it had for all those years sitting in the garage. So I did need the line, but the carburetor kit came with all those items that were listed there on that section. This is not my expertise, but all you have to do is just pay attention and remove the appropriate screws here. The main thing is that you have the right carburetor. And all I did was give the model number for the Poulan saw, and everything fit okay. Probably the hardest part of this, which I didn't show in the video, was installing the fuel line, the fuel filter, and the return line. So here I'm just removing the filter compartment, and of course I'm going to disconnect the fuel lines from the tank to the carburetor and the primer ball. And I did allow a little slack here, so on some of these I took some scissors and just cut the line and then reinserted it into the new carburetor. Everything went okay. This is not my expertise, so what I had to do is just take it apart and put it back together. That was at the beginning when I just took the fuel lines apart. There's the throttle arm. That's one of the things that I would forget to put back when I was doing this initially. The trigger won't work if you don't put that back. So here comes the carburetor again. Here I'm cutting the line. I did allow some slack there, so I didn't have to reinsert the complete line. So that's what made it easier for me. All I had to do was remove this, and then the other one was identical. This is the new one. Just insert it back in there. And I did have a little trouble getting the line from there, but see, there's a line there. It goes on one side of the carburetor, and it goes to the primer, and then the other one hooks up to the from the tank to the other side of the carburetor. And then everything just goes back the way it was. And then here I'm just showing there's this tool here where you can adjust the two screws, the low and the high for the carburetor. And you can see what I did there. I put it on the screen. Just turned it all the way to the right and 1 1/4 turn the other way. And then I did have to, once I got it started, I did have to make some tweaks. One thing I do need is a chain, because this chain won't cut. In fact, I tried to cut something, but I thought it wasn't going to work. I didn't show it because it didn't work. I need a new chain. Took a while to get it started, and then after this I went ahead and did a few tweaks with the screws, carburetor screws, adjustment screws, just to get it going. And I'll probably just order a chain. There it is. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.